Ramadan Kareem, Ramadan Mubarak. It's a great honor to see all our international partners to be here tonight. To gather about this beautiful iftar with this beautiful weather. So I want to thank you. Other than that, Ramadan is a blessing month. Ramadan is a forgiveness month.
Iftar is an opportunity for coming together, an opportunity for community, an opportunity for dialogue. So thank you very much.
Around the world today, even in this season, many from different faiths and cultures are reflecting, are taking a moment to fast, to think about what is important and how they connect with others. And so let us celebrate this time together, in togetherness, in community, in love and friendship.
Over the last year, Somalia has made steady progress in strengthening state institutions and advancing inclusive political dialogue. The President convened, we have prioritized constructive engagement among national stakeholders, including last week's dialogue between the federal government and the opposition leaders here in Mogadishu, especially in Villa Somalia. As the federal government of Somalia, we reaffirm our commitment for consensus building, constitutional order, and peaceful political process. Our path forward is anchored in unity, dialogue, and institutional stability.
And when we reflect about the last couple of decades, we can all tell that Somalia is thriving. Somalia is developing. Somalia is becoming stronger. And as you can on the screen, Somalia is rising.
I would like to thank all of you who come from different nations and different countries for your commitment and support for Somalia for the last 3 decades. Without you guys, when I say you guys means the countries you represent, Somalia will not be where it is today. So we appreciate and we thank that. So thank you so much.